Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to another Minecraft tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you can actually tame a fox inside of Minecraft. So let's say that you are walking through your world and you have to meet a fox. How can you really tame it and make it yours? Basically, make sure that you are using the Minecraft first, that it got the latest version that got a fox in it, which is I think between 1.17 until the latest one right now, or even below, I think like 1.8. I think Minecraft it will find the fox in it. So what you can do is let's click on here and let's spawn a fox in our world. And just so you know guys, the foxes are the most scared animals in Minecraft. So if you watched or once you notice that there is a fox in Minecraft, try to be away from his sight of vision. Try to come from behind or something like that and keep working while putting your hand on shift. Now let's wait until the world opens for us. It will take some time for me because I have like a turbo PC, and yeah, I will pause just so my world can open, and then I will come back to you guys. And welcome again. So I'm in my world right now, as you can see. Let's spawn a fox first and let's hope he doesn't escape, something like so. And if I attack him, he will start running as fast as possible. Look at him running. I can't even holy shit. Okay, nice. Let's keep him in a hole so he doesn't run. And now I will show you how you can tame it. You will be, while you are walking in your world, you will be finding the sweet berries that you can plant them and have other berries once they grow. So let's make them grow a little bit. Bone meal, like so. And like you can see, you don't break it to get it. You just need to right click on it to get it. Again guys, don't try to get the sweet berries by destroying the bush. Don't destroy it, just right click and it will give you the fruit or whatever it is. So now how can you tame them? You have to go to them, and as you can see, you can just give them the sweet berries, as again this one. Let's go ahead and give them some sweet berries, and here we go. He is mine, and now they will have love and they will give you a little baby. That's basically, after that he can feed him and make it yours after he grows up. So that's what this tutorial for today guys. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and thank you guys for watching.